Yahoo Fantasy Football, Yahoo Fantasy Football Mock Draft. Yahoo Fantasy Football is a popular online fantasy sports platform where players create and manage virtual football teams based on real-life NFL players. It allows participants to compete against friends, family, or the public in a league format. Here's an overview of how it works. How it works: 1. Create or join a league asterisk. You can create your own league or join an existing one with different competition levels. 2. Draft players asterisk. A draft is held where managers pick real-life NFL players for their teams. This can be done live or automatically. 3. Manage your team asterisk. Set your lineup weekly, swapping players based on matchups, injuries, and bye weeks. 4. Score points asterisk. Players earn points based on their NFL performance, example touchdowns, yardage, interceptions. 5. Compete and win asterisk. Compete against other teams in your league, aiming for the playoffs and championship. Key features: live scoring asterisk, real-time updates on your team's performance. Player news and insights asterisk, expert analysis and news updates. Trading and waivers asterisk, add, drop, or trade players during the season. Custom leagues and rules asterisk, customize league settings like scoring formats and roster sizes. Mobile app asterisk, manage your team on the go through the Yahoo Fantasy app. Why play Yahoo Fantasy Football? Fun and competitive asterisk, enjoy the NFL season while competing with friends. Skill building asterisk, learn about football strategy and player performance. Social experience asterisk, interact with fellow fans and join public leagues if you don't have a private one.